Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the Followings option. Now select the person that you'd like to unfollow. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the person's profile page. And then tap on the Unfollow button. If you are sure, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can unfollow someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.